Hello, are you a manager, team lead or consultant who needs to navigate complex human systems? If so, I want to invite you to join us at one of our upcoming Cynefin Basecamps. Basecamp offers an introductory, participatory and immersive introduction to complexity and the tools and methods of the renowned Cynefin framework. Newcomers to complexity and Cynefin will learn how the framework can be applied in areas like strategy, decision-making, organizational change and leadership.
I'm a consultant and life coach. Both the curriculum design and the facilitation principles are very helpful for my work. I already applied some of both to my workshops right after the Basecamp. The curriculum design is very inspired. It's learning by playing. The abstract theories manifest in the tangible applications.
You will learn how to recognize different contexts, situate issues, and make sense in order to improve your decision-making and management approaches. In all, you will learn how to navigate uncertainty more effectively. Whether in the future your decision-making and complexity journey will take you further, higher, or deeper, Cynefin Basecamp is the ideal starting place for adding fit-for-context response approaches to your management toolkit.
I have been studying Cynefin framework since 2014, 2015, and for some years I just studied and applied the framework in projects and programs, portfolio management, and agile. In 2019, I had the opportunity to participate in one of the first classes held here in Brazil with Ian McDonald and Michael Chevalier. At that time, I had contact with a very innovative and different way of teaching and learning the Cynefin framework that left me very motivated to become an official trainer. From there to here, I had the opportunity to co-facilitate several classes with Ian McDonald and to incorporate the concepts in my own courses, my job, and including my PhD thesis.
And the last one is the content. It's really nice because at the same time it is strong, it's powerful, but it's shared in a way that we can connect the dots in a very easy way. So it's definitely a training that I recommend for everyone who wants to gather together with a great group, having deep conversations in a very interesting subject, Cynefin and complexity and all things related to this. And having a good experience, a good learning experience as we are, not only, listening to a trainer, we are in a continuous conversations and, sharing your very own perspectives.
And something just incredible, the opportunity to really connect with people from all over the world, which make each Basecamp class simply unique.
The course is presented by expert Cynefin practitioners from around the world in 4 3-hour sessions and is currently available in English, German, Dutch and Portuguese. It's limited to small groups and costs less than $500 per participant. Click on the link provided to register for the Basecamp that best suits your preferred dates, language and time zone. I hope to see you there.